In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert fields in Docusign. Whether you're new to Docusign or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's jump right in and get started. Begin by navigating to the Docusign website. Docusign is a leader in electronic signature technology and intelligent agreement management, making it an essential tool for modern business. Once you're there, look for the login button. You'll find it prominently displayed on the home page. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you can enter your user credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to continue. After logging in, the next step is to go to the Docusign home. This is the main dashboard and it serves as the starting point for all your Docusign activities. Here you'll find various options to manage your documents, and it's crucial to familiarize yourself with this interface to efficiently navigate your tasks. Once you're on the dashboard, it's time to proceed to the Docusign section. This area allows you to start managing your documents. Take a moment to look around and ensure you're comfortable with the options available to you. Next, you'll need to select a template. Templates can save you a lot of time, especially if you frequently send out documents with similar structures. If you haven't already created a template, you have the flexibility to do so at this stage. After choosing your template, you'll want to add specific details to it. These details usually include the names of the recipients, the subject of the document, and any other pertinent information that needs to be filled out. Adding precise details ensures your document is ready for sending and signing. When you're finished, click on the Next button. This will take you to the page where you can select fields to insert into your document. Fields are crucial as they dictate where information needs to be filled in or where signatures are required. Docusign provides a range of fields such as text fields, checkboxes, or signature fields to suit various needs and document types. After selecting the right type of field that fits your document's requirements, you can drag and position it where necessary. Make sure you review the placement to ensure that everything aligns with your document's format. When you are satisfied with the setup, your document is ready to be sent for signing. That's it. You've just learned how to effectively insert fields in Docusign. By following these steps, you can streamline your document management process and ensure secure, efficient electronic signing. Thank you for watching, and remember to practice these steps on your own to become more comfortable with the Docusign platform.